Morgan here. So this is another Spamtastic. All right, let's do it again. Hello everyone, Morgan here. This is a new Spamtastic video for SPAMtember. I was gonna make Spam Benedict, but I can never get that hollandaise sauce right. And I was reading the directions and I was just like, no. So I'm just gonna do something a little bit simple. It's just gonna be English muffins with tomato, Spam, and egg. Just a nice kind of like little breakfast sandwich. You can put whatever you want over that. You can put mayonnaise, mustard, honey mustard. You can put any type of sauce. You can even put jam over it. All right, so we're doing 2 fried eggs. If you did not have fresh eggs, you can use powdered eggs and just do like some scramble on top. I'm also going to go ahead and toast that. If you don't have a toaster, you can just toast it on a pan with some butter in the pan or oil or grease or whatever. So toast it up that way. And I'm going to be frying up the Spam. I'm going to be frying up real good so it gets a nice kind of brownish glaze on it. Spam is great because you can replace almost any meat that you use in almost anything else and replace it with Spam. I almost wonder if you can make like a Spam meatloaf or something. I don't know. It's getting a little wild and crazy there. Probably not because it's already been processed and stuff and you can eat it straight out of the can, but maybe. All right, it's time to assemble. First, we have our English muffins. I'm going to put jam on the bottom. I normally have my homemade, but I had some of this in my stock, so I'm going to eat this first. Anyway, a little bit of jam, tomato. I know you guys are going to be like, oh my gosh, what's she doing? The Spam, which I could have had a little bigger piece. The egg. Now we place on top. Kind of wish I had a little bigger piece there of the Spam. All right, there it is. You got the layers there. All nice and hot, so. I need a much bigger piece of Spam. I just ate the whole thing. It's really good. This can be changed up in so many variety of ways. Whatever you have on hand, you don't have to do the tomato. You can add avocado, you can do spinach, you can do so many things to this. But that Spam adds just a little extra layer of protein and along with that egg, and it's really good. We usually get the light Spam, and that's really good with this. I'm telling you though, you gotta try it with the jam. The mayo's good and it's fine. You gotta try it with the jam too, okay? Thank you all so much for watching. Talk tomorrow by preparing today, and please check out the other collaborators of the SPAMtember down below in the description. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.